price in here?
Hmm.
What was the price in here?
120. She said that?
No, just say 120.
Yes, get out of here. It's decluttering. I don't know what Christian told her, but yeah.
All right, y'all. So I'm back from doing a walkthrough. It was very, very successful. I must admit, it's not a lot of work, and the money is good. She went with my price, and it's a go. Okay. So now I am making a flyer on Canva. Oh, let me show y'all my to-do list. So this is my to-do list that I made last night before I went to bed, so that I knew what I was doing in the morning. So as y'all see, I already did the walkthrough at 10 a.m. Now I'm making a flyer on Canva. And then after I make the flyer, I'm going to post the flyer on Craigslist. Then I'm going to post the ad on Indeed. Yes, y'all, we are getting a lot of clients, a lot of contracts and stuff, and we're going to need some help. And for the fifth thing, I'm going to create a new campaign on Groupon. Yes, y'all, Groupon, it does work. Make sure it makes sense, the money on both ends, and you can get some good clients on there as well. And then I have to call Dun & Bradstreet. If you are starting your own cleaning company, then you should know who Dun & Bradstreet is, okay? If not, then just leave me a comment letting me know, and I will leave you an in-depth video on Dun & Bradstreet and how to build your business credit, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back. So right now we are at Airbnb that we are cleaning, my daughter and myself, and we are done. We basically waiting for like the rest of the linen to be done. Y'all already know when it comes to this Airbnb, the linen takes the longest time. So currently it's 1:12. We got here at 11:15. So we are almost hitting the 2-hour mark, which that means it is time for me to go, because my goal is to only stay for 2 hours. And yeah, okay, because for this unit, this is a 2-bedroom, and for this unit, I'm getting 95, and so I don't want to be here too long. See, I already made the bed. I'm just waiting for like the flat sheet, and the comforter and the pillows is already over there. So I done already mopped the floors, swept the floors, all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's 1 bedroom. This is 2-bedroom.
Guess what's finally dry?
Yes. So we've been waiting on this little bit here so that we can make this bed up. So, all right, y'all, let me get to work. As y'all know, the hustle never stops, and we on our way. What you want to say to our hustle family? You like cleaning?
No.
But do you like the money?
Yeah.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Is the money easy?
Yeah, really easy.
Is getting customers easy?
Yeah, you try that.
Okay. All right, y'all. We'll be back.